This is a tab necklace by Ray Lovato. Ray is, of course, a Santo Domingo artist that is one of the very best Santo Domingo bead makers going, because he does all this by hand. He buys the turquoise, he trims it by hand, they drill it, they put it on a wire, and they grind these things, and it's just so much work, and they're very labor intensive. And they call this a tab necklace because it's the old style where they make a bead necklace and then they cut these tabs individually. So instead of cutting them in a round, they'll elongate these ends and round them off, kind of tab them over on these corners here. So you can see it's a graduated piece, so there's an awful lot of work to this. Ray's one of those artists that's just not afraid to use high-grade natural turquoise. This is Kingman turquoise from, of course, Kingman, Arizona. And it has a really nice blue to it, very deep sky blue, which you don't find as much these days with natural turquoise. We've noticed that through the years the intensity of turquoise is getting less and less, and it's kind of washed out. So these really bright blues, these super nice pieces, are getting harder and harder to come by. And Ray seems to have a knack to find such nice turquoise.